We good?
Yeah.
What's up, world? It's the homie 3 Cool. I'm chilling with my nigga Rob right now, getting ready for the CMA performance. You know, I'm about to turn up in that bitch right in a minute. But meantime, in between time, I'm gonna go ahead and do this little freestyle for y'all niggas one time for the one time. Let me see where we at with it.
It did indeed at that time.
Here you go. I get money and I stay away from cheap hoes. Now I'm on ballin' easier than free throws. Like an NBA coach, I keep pros. Rocks to the jeans, goddamn that street clothes. Fast forward all the kissing, had them hoes stripping. Came on her back, the definition of babysitting. Diamonds in the chain and that bitch dancing. Fuck with me and I'ma give you helly dick like Hanson. That's your new bitch, damn bro, I been hit. Sucking my pacifier, that motherfucker drooling. Cuffing them freak hoes, you motherfucking fooling. You can tell she a runner, look how beat her track shoes is. I just beat her, you can keep her nothing major. He the woman, she the player, watch me tag like laser. She wanna kill Patrick like a motherfucking mayor. Got an ass like Buffy, a vampire slay her. Eating seafood, bitch I'm 3 Cool. Hoes, they miss me, the OG say I'm crispy. The bitches that diss me, I got them all for the shitty. Now I'm spending my money, got dead presidents dizzy. Just a little metaphor, nothing really the greatest of all time. I'm a GOAT, boy Billy. Detroit player, man, I do it for my city. Believe me or not, got me feeling like Grizzlies one time for my haters. Mad at me cause they fell off. Mad cause I bought what I want, boy, I'm well off. Mad cause you still doing shows for the free. About to turn 43 and your hoe want me. Look, I'm the man, I don't fuck around with hams. I just hit your bitch and then I put her out, she's Pam. 3 Cool, drop draws, have sex. Had to beat it up so I'm too clean to sweat. I move fast while these other niggas slow mo. She tryna get 8, I told her 4 plus 4, ho. My face known from the videos and shows, so I never really had a hard time fucking hoes. But fuck hoes, man, I'm stacking for some Gucci's. Used to laugh in my face, now bitches want me in their coochie. Damn, when the tables turn, I'm fucking hoes and I'm straight like you gave me a perm. When nigga like Jones, I'm serious. I got your main hoe curious, she curious, and then I started playing with her clitoris, and now she wanna ride a nigga fast and furious. She's just a freaky looking bitch. Always on Twitter, I'm never sleepy looking bitch. Sit your ass down, no needy looking bitch. I know some bald head hoes, but you a creepy looking bitch, scary. Wait, my dreams couldn't be nearer. I spend about an hour just looking in the mirror. Niggas make rumors, but I be fucking all they hoes. It'd be bold if I told the whole world you sharing clothes, nigga. But I ain't got time for the dumb shit. Dance with my passion and rap I'm having fun with. Shit, but if you on, you on. I'm getting rap money, let them hoes dance to my songs. When you niggas gon' live? Always talking what you got, when you niggas gon' give? I ain't did what, shit the nerve of you. Cause bitch, you wasn't in there with me rapping in the booth. Bitch, you wasn't there when I was breaking all the rules. Now you blowing up my phone, bitches begging for some truths. I can have these hoes hurt. Yeah, then a couple of hoes hurt. 6 for the jeans, drop 5 for the shirt. I'm about what I talk, let these little niggas perk. I don't brag much, but I can 3 Cool. Did the shoes, put the truths, cross a band. Supposed to be in class, but I'm busy in the booth. And that motherfucker spitting like I got a bloody tooth. Beat your bitch pussy up, now she can't walk, you see the proof. And when a nigga gone, she get the deuce. That ain't bold, that's a one-time mission. I just was swimming and told her to go fishing. This whack shit got me with a coupe top missing. I'ma feel my paper coming like my fucking palm itching. And this was just a little 3 Cool. One dream, 2 fly, that 3 good, nigga. And this was just a little 3 Cool, nigga. 1 dream.